Good morning everyone, June 18, today is Thursday. Another day para tayo pasok sa trabaho. And I just like to congratulate the Barangay Ginebra team, the Never Say Die team. Congratulations for winning the PBA finals last night. So it was a crucial game dahil nga lamang yung kalaban, talagang doon lumabas yung the spirit of Never Say Die. So hanggat hindi pa tapos ang laban, hindi pa tapos ang laro, hindi pa ma-determine kung sino ang mananalo. Hanggat mag-buzzer na for the end game time, doon malalaman kung sino po ang mananalo. Kaya makikita ko kagabi that lamang po yung kalaban ng almost 10 points I think, but tuloy-tuloy pa rin sila. And there were crucial shots being done by the Barangay Ginebra team. Like for example, yung crucial shot ni Pinto, the 3-pointer ni Pinto. That was good. Talagang napasigaw ako doon nung na-shoot yun. And also, yung 3-pointer ni Thompson. Same time, yung layup ni Thompson. Kaya deserving si Thompson to become the MVP for that finals. So, congratulations. Tandaan natin, sa buhay din natin, nangyayari yan. Hanggat buhay ka pa, huwag basta-basta susuko. You know, problems are part of life. This is not the thing that we need to surrender or to give up. Ang mga problema sa buhay natin, ang siya magbigay sa atin ng mga aral, lessons, at kung tayo ay magtagumpay sa lahat ng problema na meron tayo, then we will become more stronger. Tandaan natin, success ay kaakibat dyan ang failure. Kung mabigo man tayo when we drifted, then don't give up. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Hanggat may buhay ka, tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Don't easily give way. Tandaan natin, mayroon tayong Diyos na kasama sa buhay natin. Sabi niya, He will never leave us nor forsake us. So whatever battles that you may have right now sa buhay mo, just trust everything unto the Lord and keep moving forward. When you move forward, don't dwell on the past. Always have the focus to move forward and reach your goal. Again, congratulations, the Never Say Die team, the Barangay Ginebra team. Enjoy life, enjoy the day, and be safe. God bless.